Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Rumble Inc., ticker symbol RUM, a Donald Trump presidential nomination and sympathy stock play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button, set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. Now, I want to remind you, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. We called out RSVN pre-market today on January 23rd before it ran up 267%. We also called out FAZE pre-market today on January 23rd, 2024 in our private Discord, and it ran up 207%. We also called out EVAX in our private Discord, which went up 155% in after hours. And we called out ZJYL today, which ran up 105%. Finally, we called out NVVE pre-market today, which ran up 99%. We are just made different. Just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we try to find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read those key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Rumble Inc., ticker symbol RUM, which is located in Longboat Key, Florida. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ software application company with a $2.51 billion market cap and 70 employees. Rumble Inc. operates video and live sharing platforms in the United States, Canada, and internationally. It is a direct competitor of YouTube. On rumble.com, users can subscribe to channels to keep up with creators and watch videos on demand or live. They also run locals.com, a subscription platform for creators and subscribers to interact through videos, podcasts, live chat, polls, and community discussions. Additionally, there's the Rumble Advertising Center, the RAC, an online hub for managing and exchanging advertisements. Rumble delivers video and live streaming services for Truth Social, which is the social media platform launched back in 2021 by former president and present presidential candidate Donald Trump. The Trump Media and Technology Group entered a technology and cloud services agreement with Rumble for these services to be delivered to Truth Social. Rumble was founded in 2013. Now let's look at RUM's most recent news. Earlier this week, on January 21st, 2024, presidential candidate Ron DeSantis decided to drop out of the presidential race and to endorse candidate Donald Trump after Trump won the Iowa caucuses by over 50% of the votes. We indicated that it may be worth looking out for an increase in price action for both PHUN, which had a parabolic run up 520% that week, and DWAC as Trump sympathy plays. DWAC shares were up more than 89% on Monday, January 22nd. On Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024, DWAC stock price rose to $58.50. Yesterday, on January 22nd, in a similar vein, the price on RUM's stock was also moving in after hours up 61%. The price on RUM stock was also pushed today, January 23rd, upward 40%. As of this recording, Donald Trump has won the New Hampshire primary over his opponent for the Republican presidential nomination, Nikki Haley. This sympathy play could potentially keep the price moving upward if more volume or a news catalyst comes in, like news of Trump locking in the Republican presidential nomination. On the recording of this video, Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024, the stock is now trading at $6.50. Undoubtedly, Donald Trump's victory in the Iowa caucus on January 21st, the suspension of Ron DeSantis' campaign and his endorsement of Trump, as well as Trump's victory today in the New Hampshire primary, can move the price action upward for RUM. If Nikki Haley were to drop out of the race before or after the upcoming South Carolina caucus in late February 2024, Donald Trump would become the sole Republican nominee for president. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit point on trades, how to read those candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Rumble Inc., RUM, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the technology sector, which has had its price action moving with the current events relating to the presidential primary race in a sympathy stock play. RUM is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day or even swing trading. Now, will RUM run parabolic? It will need continued volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade or swing the stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. Just my opinion, but I will have RUM on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.